So in response to this my friend's comment, I'll be showing you how to create AI dancing baby using CapCut, Chatgpt, and Grok. Those are the tools I use. So let's dive into it. So first thing, I'll dive into TikTok and get one of my favorite dancers, Sika. So I'm going to pick a video that I like. Once I get a video I like, I go ahead and download it. So after downloading it, I'll try to get a clear screenshot of her dancing. Once that is done, we are heading to ChatGPT. So once I get to ChatGPT, I will put in my image prompt so that it generates an image prompt for me. ChatGPT is best for that. So I'm going to import the video I want ChatGPT to generate a 3D image prompt for me. And in few seconds my prompt will be ready, guys. So once I get the prompt, the next thing I want to do is still on ChatGPT generate an image. So I'll go ahead and paste my image prompt to generate me the 3D cartoon image. So guys, this may take some time. You will have to wait for it to generate the image. Okay, voila, our image is ready. But I like trying different options, so I'll head on to CapCut and Grok to do other image generation and see which is best. So bestie, the first thing you want to do is copy the prompt on ChatGPT. Once you copy the prompt, you head on to the app you want to use in creating. I'll be using Grok. I go to Grok, I'll go to Imagine, select Imagine, and then you paste in your prompt. Image, you select image because you want to generate an image. So give it some time. Voila, that is our 3D cartoon. So like I said, I like to get a variety and pick from it. I'm heading now to Google Gemini. So I'll head on to Google Gemini. I'll paste the same prompt, and then I'm going to add my image reference because I want my 3D cartoon to look like my reference model. So once that is done, you give it time for it to generate. So if you did notice, you realize that I'm adding something to this prompt. I'm actually asking Google Gemini to make use of the image reference I added to my prompt. That is what I'm doing. So after doing that, I'm going to hit send and wait for the image to generate. This may take some time, so you have to be patient. For this project, the first time I did not get the result, which is normal. Sometimes you will not get the desired result, so you want to go again and again until you get your desired result. You also want to check if the problem is your prompt. If your prompt it's not okay, you want to go ahead and adjust some words. So this is my second trial because the first one did not give me the cartoon texture. I just had to redo it because I actually wanted a 3D cartoon image. So I went in the second time and voila, we got our cartoon image. So the next thing you want to do is tap on the three dots below on your bottom right and download. So we head over to CapCut, that is CapCut. We go to AI tools. Once you select AI tools, you are going to pick AI image. You select AI image. So the next thing you want to do is put in your prompt. You paste and then you import the picture you want to use as your reference picture. Okay, that's done. So the good thing about CapCut is that it gives you 4 options. That's one nice thing about CapCut generation. So you select from the 4 generated images the one you prefer. Let's wait for it to generate. So you give it some time, and there we go. We have our images there. I'm going to pick the one I like. Okay, so that's it. So one thing I want you guys to note is that I bought points for CapCut. For this CapCut, it's not free. I actually bought points. And for the Chatgpt, Grok, and Google Gemini, it's all free. So you go ahead and choose what you want. So the next thing I want to do is import the video I downloaded from TikTok to CapCut and cut it. I'll reduce it to 13 seconds because CapCut cannot generate more than 13 seconds, probably because I'm still on the free. Like I said, I just bought points to use, so I'll reduce this video to 13. So after reducing it, the next thing you want to do is to export. You export the video. As you can see, you export the video, and then the next thing to do is you import the image you want to use. You choose the image you want. So this is the image I chose. You are going to expand it to 13 seconds. Once that is done, you look at the bottom, look through the tools, you pick mimic motion. You go through and pick mimic motion. The next thing you want to choose move. I always use move 1.5. That's what I use. I'll pick move 1.5 or move 1.0. You pick any of those. So for this project, I'll be using move 1.5. I'll go ahead and pick it, as you can see. Once I select that, I'm going to import the video I had reduced to 13 seconds. I'll import the video. You wait for it to load. Once it's done, you are going to hit generate. When you hit generate, you also have to wait. It will take some time. You just have to be patient. You wait until. So once that highlighted white goes round that circle, know that your video is ready for you to play. For the moment, we just have to wait for it to go through. Okay, you just have to be patient. So in few seconds, our video, so you see the green and the tick, it shows that your video is ready. You can go ahead and enjoy. So I reduce the sound to 0 to avoid any piracy issues. So you guys, we are done. So if you're satisfied, you go ahead and export your video, and that's it. If you enjoyed the training, do not hesitate to leave me a comment and give me a follow if we are not friends. And if there is anything you want me to teach you, do not hesitate to put it at the comments. Ciao.